Welcome to Advanblack's YouTube channel. I'm Steve, service technician for Advanblack, and today we got another new product from Advanblack. It's going to be a color match product. Back here on the list, we got a 2024 Road Glide that's Whiskey Fire, and up here sitting on the seat is the Fat Tire Shorty front fender. Now, as you can see, the 2024 already has a wrapper Fat Tire fender on it, but this is the stretched one, and now we've got the Shorty version. We also have this in the 14 to 23 non-CVO fender as well. It is a completely different fender, so to make sure if you're selecting the fender that you select your year. We have this one that is an amber whiskey for our 15 Road Glide that's sitting over there. Now that bike, just like this one, already has the longer wrapper Fat Tire front fender on it, but as you can see here, this is a Shorty version. So this is your front, this is the rear. It's just a much shorter fender, but it is for the 18x5.5 Fat Tire. Now, noticeably different on a Fat Tire front fender are the notches on the side right here for the fork leg. Now, if you're watching this video for a Fat Tire install, this isn't the one. We already have a complete Fat Tire kit install video that you can check out right here. I'll link it at the end of this video and also put it in the description below. Now, do keep in mind, if you're doing a Fat Tire kit for the first time, of course, you will need the wheel and the tire, and you're gonna get a color match front fender, and you're going to get specific fork cans. These are Fat Tire fork cans. Just like the notch in the side of the fender, we also have the cans notched out right here. It's so this fender can ride up and down on the forks and not contact the fork can. So it's very specific. Fat Tire fork cans, Fat Tire fender, and then of course your 18x5.5 wheel and tire. So what I'm going to do, because we already have that install video, I'm going to do a little walk around of this longer front fender. When I get it pulled off, we'll set it side by side on the table real quick so you can see the difference between the long fender and the short fender. And then of course I'll install the short fender on here, and then we'll do a walk around on that so you can see the difference. So you can pick which style fender that you would like to have. Now personally, I've always ran the long fender, so I'm not quite sure until I get the short fender on there how I'm going to like it. But we'll discuss that at the end of the video. So that's it. That's the Shorty Fat Tire front fender from Advanblack. Like I said, you can get this color matched, and it does come for the 14 to 23 non-CVO, 23 and a half CVO, and newer models. So two different fenders there. Now, like I said in the beginning of this video, this isn't something I've ever ran. I've ran Fat Tires for a long time, but I've never ran a Fat Tire short fender. Now, this one definitely has a more aggressive, sporty look to it. So if you're doing that Fat Tire performance bagger style build, this is definitely something that you should check out. But now you have choices on the Advanblack website. You can go with this Shorty one, or you can go with the standard long wrapper Fat Tire front fender. So make sure to jump over to Advanblack's website and check it out. I'll have links down in the description down below. The first 3 days that this video will be live on YouTube, you will have to go through an authorized Advanblack dealer to get it. After that, I'll put a link down in the description. It'll take you straight over to the website where you can check out these Shorty front fenders. If you got any questions on this, leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try to help you the best I can. I'm going to get out of here, get myself cleaned up. Hope to see you in the next video. But until then, as always, be safe. Keep your knees in the breeze.